Wewa kwehokeka, wewa kwehokeka. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Favour Mbogo. I'm welcoming you to my new song lounge.
This Saturday, the 28th of June 2025 in Washington State, all roads will be heading to All Nations Breakthrough Church, ferrying men and women, both young and old, to witness a historical event where Favour Mbogo will be having a mega gospel music album launch as she launches a new gospel hit, Wewa Kwehokeka. This event will commence from 2 p.m. at All Nations Breakthrough Church, 2030 South 314th Street, Federal Way, Washington 98003. Favour Mbogo, our one and only one, is flanked by a battery of gospel music gurus in the USA, who include, among others, Frank Wanekulegai, Jane Leah, Jorge Wajega, Pastor Gishiri, Dan Kioko, Lucien Kabea, Pastor Charles G, James Mwaura, Susan Dimu, Evangelist Stella Nyanduko, Maggie K, Susan Chege, Mary Nyambura, Pauline Mwangi, Mary and Faith, Teresa Eric, Catherine Kariuki, Mede Precious, Emmy Chris, Ruth Shiros, Jane the guitarist, Mwarawa Zayuni, Lydia Kamau Mwangi, and Mary Jao, among others. Pastor Charles Washira of JCM will take up the mantle of the master of this mega ceremony. It will be an event like no other that will not only be power-packed and spirited, but will pull artists together with one accord, celebrating their own, a worker in the kingdom of God, but also a gospel music minister fulfilling a purpose. Favour Mbogo. Come and let us celebrate our own, and you are all welcome. This is sponsored by Pacific Waves Television.
All roads in Washington leads to All Nation Breakthrough Church in Federal Way. Welcome.